Traveling should be a joyful experience no matter your age. That's why, in this video, we'll be going over the 30 best gadgets for seniors to make traveling easier and safer. From must-have travel accessories to innovative safety devices, these gadgets are perfect for ensuring you can explore the world worry-free. And be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end because the last gadget is a must-have. First is the LED reflective walking sash. Walking at night can be risky if you're not visible to others. The LED reflective walking sash is a rechargeable, adjustable sash designed to keep you safe and visible in low-light conditions. It's perfect for seniors, joggers, or anyone who enjoys evening strolls. With its bright LED lights and reflective material, this sash ensures you're seen from a distance, offering peace of mind and added safety. Lightweight and easy to wear, it's a practical tool for nighttime visibility. Next up is the folding walking cane with LED. How many times have you worried about walking in dimly lit areas? Say goodbye to that concern with this clever solution. The folding walking cane with LED is a lightweight, adjustable cane equipped with a built-in LED light for added visibility and safety. It's perfect for seniors or anyone needing extra support and confidence while walking, especially at night. With its sturdy pivoting base and foldable design, it's easy to carry and store, making it a practical companion for everyday use. On our number 3 spot, we have the travel shoe bags. Keep your luggage organized and your shoes protected while traveling. The travel shoe bags are durable, water-resistant organizers designed to keep your shoes separate from your clothes. With a compact yet spacious design, these bags fit a variety of shoe sizes and styles. They're perfect for seniors, travelers, or anyone looking to keep their packing neat and hassle-free. Moving on to our 4th gadget, we have the electric pill crusher. Make taking medication easier than ever. Designed with powerful grinding technology, the electric pill crusher pulverizes pills into fine powder with minimal effort, ensuring easy swallowing or mixing with food or drinks. Perfect for seniors or caregivers, this gadget simplifies the process of preparing medication, offering convenience and reliability in daily routines. The number 5 gadget on our list is the Amazon Kindle. Prep for endless reading enjoyment with the Amazon Kindle, a sleek and lightweight e-reader that brings your favorite books to life. With a glare-free screen and adjustable lighting, it's perfect for reading anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to carrying bulky books and hello to a portable library in the palm of your hand. This must-have device is perfect for seniors, book lovers, or anyone looking to simplify their reading experience. The number 6 gadget on our list is the She's Birdie, the original personal safety alarm. Personal safety is a priority for everyone, and that's where the She's Birdie personal safety alarm shines. This small, portable alarm emits a powerful 130 decibels sound to deter threats and draw attention in emergencies. Ideal for seniors, walkers, or anyone wanting added security, this gadget is easy to carry and simple to activate. Its sleek design and vibrant color options make it as stylish as it is functional. Next up is the airplane footrest. Long flights can leave your legs feeling cramped and uncomfortable. Say goodbye to in-flight discomfort with this simple yet effective gadget. The airplane footrest is a lightweight and adjustable sling that lets you rest your feet comfortably during travel. It's perfect for seniors, frequent flyers, or anyone looking to improve their travel experience. Simply hang it on your tray table, adjust the height, and enjoy better leg support and relaxation throughout your journey. At number 8, we have the travel pill organizer. Managing your medication while on the go has never been easier. The travel pill organizer is a compact, lightweight dispenser with separate compartments to keep your pills sorted and secure. Its secure lid ensures no spills, making it perfect for seniors, frequent travelers, or anyone needing to maintain their medication routine while away from home. Next up is the hand massager. Ease the discomfort of tired or arthritic hands with this soothing gadget. Designed with compression technology and multiple massage modes, the hand massager delivers relief and relaxation right to your fingertips. Perfect for seniors or anyone experiencing hand strain, it's a portable and rechargeable solution to improve circulation and reduce stiffness. The number 10 gadget on our list is the travel umbrella. Prep for unexpected weather with the travel umbrella, a compact and windproof accessory designed to keep you dry during sudden rain showers. Its sturdy construction and lightweight design make it easy to carry wherever you go. Say goodbye to flimsy umbrellas and hello to reliable protection from the elements. This is a must-have for seniors, travelers, or anyone who values staying prepared. The number 11 gadget on our list is a portable door lock. Traveling or staying alone can sometimes feel unsafe. The portable door lock provides extra security by reinforcing doors from the inside. It's a must-have for seniors, frequent travelers, or anyone looking for added peace of mind. This easy-to-install device doesn't require tools and fits most doors, making it a quick and reliable solution for added protection at home or on the go. At number 12, we have the rechargeable flashlight. How many times have you found yourself searching for a reliable light source in an emergency? The rechargeable flashlight is a compact, high-powered tool that ensures you're never left in the dark. It's perfect for seniors, campers, or anyone needing a dependable flashlight. With zoomable focus and multiple brightness settings, it's versatile enough for any situation. Plus, its rechargeable battery means you'll always be ready to go. Next up is the hanging suitcase organizer. Say goodbye to rummaging through your suitcase. The hanging suitcase organizer is a collapsible travel accessory that lets you pack, unpack, and organize your clothes with ease. With multiple compartments and a built-in hanging hook, this organizer is perfect for seniors, travelers, or anyone looking to save time and stay tidy on the road. At number 14, we have the blood pressure monitor. Get peace of mind with the blood pressure monitor, a user-friendly device designed for quick and accurate readings. With its large display, rechargeable battery, and voice broadcast feature, it's easy to use for anyone. Perfect for seniors or individuals managing their health, this monitor ensures you stay informed about your blood pressure from the comfort of your home. The number 15 gadget on our list is the earplugs. Enjoy peace and quiet wherever you are with the earplugs designed to reduce noise while maintaining sound clarity. Perfect for concerts, travel, or simply getting a good night's sleep, these high-fidelity plugs offer comfort and effective sound management. Say goodbye to loud disturbances and hello to serene moments. These are ideal for seniors, light sleepers, or anyone sensitive to noise. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. The number 16 gadget on our list is the Apple AirTag. Keeping track of your belongings has never been easier. The Apple AirTag is a compact tracker that connects to your Apple devices, allowing you to locate items like keys, wallets, or even your bag. Perfect for seniors or anyone prone to misplacing things, this handy gadget works seamlessly with the Find My app. Its precision tracking ensures you can quickly find your valuables wherever they are. Next up is the wearable portable electric blanket. Cold weather can be tough, but staying warm doesn't have to be. The wearable portable electric blanket is a rechargeable, battery-operated blanket that you can wrap around yourself for cozy comfort anywhere. Perfect for seniors, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who feels the chill, this blanket is lightweight, waterproof, and easy to wear. With adjustable heat settings, it's the ideal solution for staying warm at home or on the go. At number 18, we have the knee pillow. Indulge in the comfort you deserve with the knee pillow. Designed to relieve pressure and align your spine, this ergonomic pillow is ideal for side sleepers or anyone with hip, back, or knee pain. Made from memory foam, it adapts to your body for maximum comfort. Perfect for seniors or anyone seeking better sleep, this pillow turns every night into a relaxing experience. Moving on to our 19th gadget, we have the packing cubes. Travel smarter and stay organized with these durable and lightweight packing cubes. Designed with multiple compartments, They make packing, unpacking, and finding items in your suitcase a breeze. Perfect for seniors, families, or frequent travelers, these cubes help maximize luggage space and keep everything in its place. The number 20 gadget on our list is the Mini First Aid Kit. Prep like a pro with the Mini First Aid Kit, a compact and portable kit that ensures you're ready for minor emergencies. It includes all the essentials for treating small cuts, scrapes, or burns, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. Say goodbye to being unprepared and hello to peace of mind. This must-have kit is ideal for seniors, families, or anyone on the go. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gadgets will change your mind. The number 21 gadget on our list is the Wireless Caregiver Pager System. For seniors or individuals needing assistance, the Wireless Caregiver Pager System is a lifesaver. This system includes transmitters and receivers that let users call for help with just the press of a button. It's ideal for caregivers and loved ones, offering reliable communication and peace of mind. With a range suitable for most homes, it ensures help is always within reach. Next up is the digital camera. Capturing life's special moments shouldn't be complicated. The digital camera is a user-friendly gadget designed to make photography easy and fun for everyone. It's perfect for seniors, students, or anyone wanting to explore photography without the complexity of high-end cameras. Compact and lightweight, it offers great features like video recording and a simple interface, making it a joy to use. On our number 23 spot, we have the Travel Pillow. Make every journey a restful one with the Travel Pillow. This ergonomic, breathable neck pillow is designed to support your head and neck during long trips. Its contoured memory foam and washable cover ensure both comfort and hygiene, making it perfect for seniors, frequent travelers, or anyone seeking better rest on the go. Next up is the collapsible water bottle. Stay hydrated on the go without the bulk. Designed with BPA-free silicone, the collapsible water bottle folds down when empty, making it lightweight and compact for travel. Perfect for seniors, hikers, or anyone on the move, this eco-friendly bottle is reusable, easy to clean, and convenient to carry wherever you go. The number 25 gadget on our list is the trekking poles. Prepare for your next adventure with the trekking poles, lightweight and adjustable poles designed for hiking and outdoor activities. With ergonomic grips and shock-absorbing features, they provide stability and reduce strain on your joints. Say goodbye to uneven footing and hello to confident exploration. These are perfect for seniors, hikers, or anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors safely and comfortably. The number 26 gadget on our list is the Relief Band Classic Wristband. Motion sickness can make travel uncomfortable, but the Relief Band Classic Wristband provides a drug-free solution. This wearable gadget uses clinically proven technology to prevent and treat nausea caused by motion sickness or vertigo. Perfect for seniors or anyone prone to nausea, this adjustable wristband is easy to use and offers fast relief. Whether you're on a plane, boat, or car, it helps you enjoy the journey without discomfort. Next up is the digital pocket thermometer. How many times have you needed a quick and accurate temperature reading? The digital pocket thermometer is a compact, reliable tool that provides instant temperature measurements for various tasks. Perfect for seniors, cooks, or DIY enthusiasts, this gadget is small enough to fit in your pocket and features a clear digital display for easy reading. Whether you're checking food, water, or the environment, this thermometer is a handy tool to have. At number 28, we have the UV Self-Cleaning Smart Water Bottle. Stay hydrated with peace of mind using the UV Self-Cleaning Smart Water Bottle. This innovative bottle uses UVC light to purify water and clean the interior, ensuring every sip is fresh and safe. Perfect for seniors, travelers, or anyone who values convenience and cleanliness, this bottle keeps your water pure and your life hassle-free. On number 29, we have the Sleep Eye Mask. Experience restful sleep anytime, anywhere. Made with soft, breathable materials, the Sleep Eye Mask offers complete blackout coverage for uninterrupted relaxation. Perfect for seniors, travelers, or light sleepers, this comfortable and adjustable mask helps you drift off into a peaceful slumber, no matter the time or place. Finally is the luggage scale. Prep for hassle-free travel with the luggage scale, a compact and easy-to-use device that helps you avoid overweight baggage fees. Its digital display ensures accurate readings every time. Say goodbye to guessing your luggage weight and hello to stress-free check-ins. This is a must-have for seniors, frequent flyers, or anyone who loves to travel smart. And there you have it. We hope these 30 gadgets are exactly what you've been looking for to make traveling easier and safer. And if you want to know more about gadgets to make your home safer, then click this next video and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.